guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought to you a series for immune boosting tips to support your health using essential oils and lots of other great useful things. So this is a 5-part series. Today we're going to break down the 3 ways that you can use essential oils, the 3 safe ways to be using them, and also talking about the 5 pillars of health, my 5 personal pillars of health that I use to stay healthy, to work on my well-being, and to support myself and my immune system, especially as we move into these colder months, but these can also be used all throughout the year. So I'm really excited about this series to share with you to help you get feeling your best, boosting that immune system, and getting us through our day-to-day life and just feeling good in our body. Be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the videos that are coming in the next few weeks. You want to really stay tuned in so you don't miss a single pillar of health, because all 5 pillars are so important to ensuring we feel our best. Also, be sure to follow me over on social media. I'll link my Instagram up here so you follow along there. And of course, any other links are down below. Comment, let me know what you guys think of these tips and tricks on supporting your immune system and your immune function. And with all that said, let's dive into today's video, learning all about the 5 pillars and how to use essential oils. So the 5 pillars being, number 1 is your diet and water intake. So really nourishing and supporting your body, cleaning it, helping it get rid of all of those toxins, detoxing, all of that fun stuff. Number 2 is our movement. So moving the body, whether that's yoga, running, fitness classes, whatever your thing is. And then number 3, moving into stress management. How are you managing your stress load and what's happening in your day-to-day life? Number 4, moving into sleep. How to support your sleep routine, feeling your best, getting enough restful sleep throughout the night. And then number 5, of course, is self-care, loving and supporting yourself through the journey that you're currently going through. So very, very important. So those are my 5 pillars of your health, supporting your immune function. So before we dive into the 5 pillars a little bit more in detail and how I can support you with hacks on essential oils and different things to do, let's talk about the 3 main uses of essential oils and how to use them. So our first use is going to be aromatically. So putting in your essential oil into a diffuser, putting a few drops in, turning on that diffuser, and allowing it to fill the air in your home, adding those wonderful properties, getting into the air, cleansing the air, supporting you. You can breathe in the essential oil that way. You can also have a car diffuser. So it's more so about the aromatic compounds. So really getting those particles in the air and inhaling them. Number 2 way of using essential oils is topically applying essential oils. So applying them topically to your hands, to your feet, anywhere on the body. Again, being sure that we're using a dilution if required or if your skin is quite sensitive. So you can use a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, just rubbing that essential oil in, adding the drop of essential oil. So that way we're protecting our skin, especially with any of those hot oils that we might come in contact with. And then the 3rd way is internally ingesting the essential oils. So being sure that when you're internally ingesting essential oil that you're using a pure therapeutic grade essential oil. So we're not using any essential oil. We're making sure that we know where the quality is coming from. So those are the 3 main ways to use our essential oils, ways to support the immune system and immune function. I hope you enjoyed today's video, sharing a little bit about the 5 pillars and the 3 ways that we can safely use essential oils. So now with all of that, be sure to subscribe down below if you didn't already, and like this video because you don't want to miss the pillars of health videos that are coming to you this month. So stay tuned, enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.